Hi guys, in this vlog, I'm gonna show you what I do when I hold my camps outside of the Philippines. So we just landed here in Hong Kong and of course marami tayong gagawin dito, hindi lang puro basketball trainings but we will also do some food trips and syempre shopping. So samahan niyo ako sa magiging 4-day trip ko dito sa Hong Kong. Just checked into our room. So, habang malinis pa yung room, bibigyan ko kayo ng isang quick room tour. So, first of all, syempre, yung ating napakagandang view. And then, syempre, bed and yung ating open CR. Hanap yung CR dito, open guys. So, ayan. May tub, may shower. So, we'll just get ready for a bit. And then, today, ang gagawin natin is pupunta tayo ng Mongkok. And then, meron tayong place doon na pupuntahan. Doon ako bibili ng pang-recovery stuff. And then, mamaya, baka maglaro tayo. And shout out kay Bro Paul. Siya yung nag-asikaso sa atin dito sa Hong Kong. And thank you for giving us a very nice room. So guys, we're here now in Mongkok and pupuntahan natin si Finesse HK. Lalagay ko yung IG nila dito. So dito ako kumukuha ng mga insoles and mga recovery stuff ko. So tara, papakita ko sa inyo yung shop nila. Insoles. Gitna mo siya. Okay. So, ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito sa store na to. Hyper Ice X. So, what it does is, kaya niyang lumamig and kaya niyang uminit. It's a must for muscle recovery. Ooh. Siyempre, check natin muna kung kumpleto yung mga items. So, ito na yung mga nabili natin guys. Let's go back to the hotel. So, it's day 2 in Hong Kong. So, we'll start the day off hitting the gym, hitting the weights, para at least ma-warm up yung katawan natin for the rest of the day. So right now, we're going to Causeway Bay. Kakain tayo ng Ichiran Ramen. So right now, it's T8 here in Hong Kong. So equivalent sa atin ng signal number 2. So, most of the shops are closed, pero hopefully, bukas yung Ichiran. Also, because of T8, meron tayong mga na-cancel na individual trainings kasi sarado yung gyms. So, lakwatsa na lang tayo.
Omakase shimashita.
So right after eating sa Ichiran, nakapamili na si wifey sa Sasa. So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo ng Mongkok and titingin tayo doon ng mga sneakers. So let's go! Jatu. Ganda, no? Meron pa isa eh. Black naman. Ano mas maganda? Black. Ito yung ginagamit ko rin. No? Dito, ang dami nilang colorway. Baka maging Jamorant ako nito.
This one, only small size.
Only small size. Saktong-sakto. Sige, kunin na natin. Here.
Thank you.
So, kumuha tayo ng dalawang wristband. And then, a Vomero for wifey. And then, Ja, choose. Bago tayo bumalik sa hotel, we'll grab some food here at Hot Star para mamaya meron tayong energy before our first day of basketball camp here in Hong Kong. Ay, wala pa. Now, we're on our way to meet Coach Kit. So, siya yung partner natin for our camp here in Hong Kong. Kamusta? Kamusta?
Hello po.
Guys, this is Coach Kit. Tara. Ano, tara. Saan tayo?
Yeah, it all depends on you. We're all going to be doing the same thing. If you don't do it 100% and he's doing it 100%, guess what? All right, simple going through. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Sideline with no basketballs. Come on.
Let's go. Walk. We're going left side. Just jog. Let's go. Go. Ready. Go. Good job. Hey, go. Come on. Go. Come on.
Fast. Oh, both fast.
Hey, go. Come on. Ready. Who's next? Who's next? To go out of that line. His goal, his objective is to stay inside that line. Got it? So, if you go out of that line because you got off balance, it's all right. You just go back. Ready? Walk through lang. Walk through, walk through. Ready? Go. 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 Got it? Good. Natalie. Good. Good. Oh, 1. There you go.
Then you break it down and then we...
Oh, parang ganun. For our first drill, we're gonna take 2 dribbles, max of 2 dribbles. I want you to take off with the right. If you can finish it with the layup, much better. If not, I want you to finish with the floater. Light step. Floater. Good. Pila ka. Just dribble, then shoot. Don't just always play games. Review your games. Where do you make your mistakes? And then you practice it.
1, 2, 3.
So we just finished our youth and kids camp. And ngayon, meron tayong papanoorin na game. So parang top 2 teams to ng Hong Kong. So it should be exciting. Let's go. So, we didn't finish the game. We just watched the first half. And ngayon, andito tayo sa Five Guys. We'll grab some dinner before heading home. Today was very tiring, kaya kailangan magpahinga na para may energy ulit bukas. So, day 2 of our camp tomorrow, adults naman yung mga tuturuan natin. Before our second day of training here in Hong Kong, kumain muna tayo sa Curry Bee. So, ang maganda dito guys is yung mga servers nila and yung mga waiters nila Filipino. So, hindi na kayo maghihirap na kumausap or mag-order kasi kahit mag-Tagalog kayo, maintindihan nila kayo. So, this is in Causeway Bay. So, bro, guys, ito pala si Bro Paul. Siya yung isa sa mga tumulong sa atin sa trip natin sa Hong Kong. So, yeah.
Simple grind.
Yeah. Hello.
Ano yung ganyan ko? Masapa eh.
Ha? Sa kasi? Oo. Creating separation, okay? Okay.
Better shooting.
Better shooting, okay. How about you? Right. Got it? No, dribble. Dribble first, right? Dribble, left, right. Ready. Face the rim. Good. Nice one. Nate, hold it like this, and then other way. You got it? Nice. 2 rounds. Good. Oh, guys, come on. Ready? Good, good. Good. There you go. Good. You're gonna cross. Look, off this punch. Cross. Cross. 1, 2. Right here. Good. Nice one. My bad. Ready. Good. Good. Ready. So we just finished our day 2 of basketball camp here in Hong Kong. So we'll grab some dinner before we head back to the hotel. Guys, here is Nate. I trained. This is the second time I trained you, right?
Yeah.
The first one is last June.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you soon maybe in the Philippines. Let's play some hoops there, okay? Good job.
Cheers.
Ngayon, papunta na tayo sa airport. It's been a good 4 days here in Hong Kong. Yung mga camps natin, okay naman. And maraming salamat sa mga tao na tumulong sa atin sa trip natin na to dito sa Hong Kong. Coach Kit Cueto and Sir Simon of Grit and Grind for making our camps possible. And of course to Bro Paul Chua, maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa pag-accommodate sa amin on our short stay here. And after we land, so 2 o'clock yung flight natin. After we land, meron pa tayong wedding na pupuntahan. So hindi pa tapos yung araw natin. Pagdating natin sa airport, we'll grab as much rest as we can. So tara guys. Fast forward, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Okada, Manila to attend the wedding. And hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi we need to change clothes quickly. So, all black lang tayo ngayon. And, okay? So, let's go.
or singleton?
Dito ako.
O, sige, bigyan mo parehas.
Yan.
Parehas.
Isa lang.
Tignan mo yun.